Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews and I have another JEWLYBOX for you. So I've had some questions about people asking me why is it not in a box if it's called JEWLYBOX, and when you do get your first one, that one is in a box, and then to save money so that they can send you better stuff, they just send you the envelope with a little satchel like so. Oh, and here's a note that says you guys can get 10% off with the discount code Rebecca. Oh, that's nice of them. Awesome. So I will leave all of that information in the description box as well as a link to JEWLYBOX. Let's see what I got this month. I'm super excited. Ooh, lots of silver. Let's see. Okay, let's start with this one. I think this is a necklace. Wow, a super duper long one. I am assuming that is so you can wrap it around a couple times. You know, however long you want to do it. So if you wanted really long ones, or you could make some shorter, wrap it around as many times as you want to get your desired length. I'm just sort of strangling myself right now, don't mind me. Okay, well that's cute. There we go, that looks better. And then this looks like a bracelet. Oh, I love this. I love this. It has multiple strands, but just one clasp, you know? Okay, so there is the bracelet with its many strands of shiny beads. Love it. And can you see my necklace? See, it's just simple and you can wear it however you like. And last but certainly not least, some earrings. So there's this part and then this little like fan thing and then the back. So I guess you could put the fan behind your ear or in front of it, you know, however you wanted to do it, or you could just wear them without. That's kind of fun that it's not attached, you know, so you could just ditch this part or, here, let's see. Okay, so there it is with the Dumaflachi in the front. Now let's try it with it in the back. That's kind of cool looking. I don't know, are my earlobes too big for that? I don't know, it's kind of cool. What do you guys think? And then, you know, you could just ditch the fan part of it and wear these as just little studs. Here we go. Well, those are three super adorable pieces. I really like these. I like that you can switch around the earrings and, you know, switch around the necklace. It's a very versatile set here of jewelry. Very fun, and I am loving this bracelet. I'm gonna wear this one all the time, I can tell right already. All right, well definitely check out the description box. Like I said, I will leave all of the information there as well as my discount code, which I believe is just Rebecca for 10% off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you JEWLYBOX for sending this to me so that I can share it with you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!